This video is brought to you by HelloFresh. Probably one of the best chicken wraps that you're gonna try. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making spicy chicken wrap. This chicken wrap is gonna be so flavorful. I'm gonna serve it with cheese, jalapenos, peppers, onions. We're also gonna have some chipotle, mayonnaise and coleslaw on the side. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Here I've got chicken breast. You could also use thighs or steak. Place your hand on the chicken and slice through the middle to get two even shapes. Let the knife do the work. Now if you want, you can keep the breast as it is and serve with some spices. But if you want to season properly, then cut them into strips. The strips should be at least 2 cm thick. Don't cut them too small. Grab yourself a bowl in with your strips. Here with the chipotle chili, freshly ground cardamom powder, cumin powder, paprika, garlic granules, sugar for some caramelization and to balance out the heat, good touch of salt, freshly ground black pepper. Finish off with lemon juice. Perfect. And a touch of this soy sauce. Now give that a really good mix and leave it to marinate for at least an hour. It smells wonderful. One of the best chicken wraps that you're gonna try. Alright, now to cook the chicken, turn up the heat around medium with a good touch of oil. When the oil is nice and hot with your chicken. Now make sure not to overcrowd the pan. You want to cook the chicken until it's done. This should take you around 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure to mix every now and then. Any water that chicken is releasing, you need to dry that out. And once the chicken is nearly done, in with your onions, touch of this red chili, some of this roasted pepper, also some jalapenos. Give that a really good mix. Let this cook for another minute or so, until those veggies are nice and sauteed. Alright guys, our chicken is done. Just turn off the heat. Finish off with some dried oregano and a final mix to this. For our mayonnaise, in with the egg yolks, some of this mustard, vinegar, or you can use a bit of the lemon juice. Break the egg yolks and give that a mix. Now add a touch of oil and mix. You want to keep repeating this process until the mayonnaise comes together. You will notice the mixture will slowly start to emulsify. That's exactly what we're looking for. Perfect. Now using a spatula, I'm just gonna clean off the sides. Now with the chipotle paste. Garlic just to add a bit more flavor in there. Chipotle pepper, chili flakes for some heat. A good touch of salt. And finally some freshly grounded black pepper. Give that a really good mix and bring everything together. Have a mouth-watering mayonnaise. Done. Have a little taste. Perfect. HelloFresh have kindly sponsored this video. It can be a challenge to plan out your weekly meals and then shopping for all the right ingredients. This is where HelloFresh saves you time by offering premium quality meals that comes with pre-portioned ingredients and step-by-step, easy to follow recipe guides. For those who don't know, HelloFresh are a meal subscription service. There are over 37 recipes to choose from and new menus are updated every week. The good thing is you can choose whether to get 3, 4 or 5 recipes per week, or whether to serve 2, 3 or 4 people. As an example, I've ordered this box that comes with 3 recipes, which is enough for 4 people. In the box you receive numbered recipe cards with corresponding bags of ingredients. I've made this delicious halloumi burger with roasted pepper and spiced veggies. The quality of the ingredients are outstanding and the recipe guides are simple and easy to follow. Overall, what I love about HelloFresh is that they only provide what you really need. That means there is less food wastage. Also, you spend less time thinking about what you're going to cook. So if you want premium quality ingredients and stress-free cooking, then check out HelloFresh. I will leave the link in the description below. You can use the discount code HalalChef50 to get 50% off your first box and use the same code to get 35% off the next 3 boxes. Thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Now to assemble the wraps, grab your mayonnaise, some of these pickled onions, some of the lettuce if you like, our cheese, and don't forget the chicken. And now you want to grab your tortilla wrap. Make sure to slightly warm this up. Here with our chipotle mayonnaise. Just spread it around. Add some of the lettuce if you like. Some of these fresh chives. Pickled red onions. Touch of the salt. Add our mouth-watering chicken. Be generous, don't be shy. Some of those jalapenos, onions, and the chilies. Amazing. Touch of the mayonnaise again. Now finish this off with a generous amount of cheese. So you want to grab both sides, tuck them in, make sure they are in the middle. And now we're just gonna start closing them. I'm grabbing it from here and slowly make sure you grab everything and just slowly fold it in. So that's our closed wrap. It's closed from this side and this side. That goes on our grill. Now grill this from both sides until the cheese is completely melted. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Some of this coleslaw.
Perfect.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks amazing. Bismillah. That is so delicious. The amazing onions, jalapenos, and the peppers, wow. And our delicious chipotle mayonnaise. So much flavor. You guys are gonna really enjoy this chicken wrap. That was mouth-watering. I really enjoyed it. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Can you also share with your family and friends so they can enjoy as well? Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.
Perfect.